plastic eyes reflect a dream she never knew. Waiting for a customer, something to break through. I wore the wrong thing on purpose. The lights are off, but I'm rehearsing each movement slow, a practice grace, trying to find my rightful place. Duct tape halo, almost angel, hand cut crown, hold me down. I keep humming a fragile sound above the escalator spinning round. The escalator hums back a low metallic sigh. The store pretends not to listen. Beneath the broken sky, fluorescent tubes begin to flicker. One by one they gleam, illuminating silence, a forgotten, faded dream. I wore the wrong thing on purpose. The lights are off, but I'm rehearsing each movement slow, a practice grace, trying to find my rightful place. Duct tape halo, almost angel, hand cut crown, hold me down. I keep humming a fragile sound above the escalator spinning round. I know it's just tape, and I know it knows this homemade crown, where defiance grows, a tender admission whispered low. In this empty atrium, a silent Duct tape halo, almost angel, hand cut crown, hold me down. I keep humming a real quiet sound above the escalator all around. The atrium lit by reflected glow, nowhere to run, nowhere to go.